Alright, this is video 2 of the hub assembly bearing job. Decided to go ahead and do a video 2 of it. So, as you can see, I just took the caliper off and I left the bracket on there. I did loosen the bolts with a T55. Let's see. Right there, T55. So left the bracket attached to the caliper, and it was a size 18 to get the bracket bolts off. So just left the bracket on there. So anyways, as you can see, the assembly's totally shot there. Some ripped up metal that was in there. Some of the bearings. The axle nut is a spindle nut is a 35. Mine fit on there loose, but I got the job done. Now I put the vehicle back on the ground to get it loose, being that it wasn't a tight fit on there. So with the vehicle on the ground, it's a lot easier to get off its extra work because you have to remove the jacks and jack stands and all that, but it's the best way to do it. I did have a bar to put in there as leverage to do it in there, and you can do that. I started to do that, but I realized I was going to strip it out, so I just put it on the ground. So you can get some leverage that way with it in the air, and then go the opposite way. Hold, but that still takes a lot of power, especially if it's rusted on. So, watch out, kitty. This stuff here is the real deal. Definitely recommend for any job with a lot of rust on it. So, yeah, I loosened the spindle nut and got it closed all the way out, but got it loose enough where I knew I was be able to get it off with it up in the air. Plus, leaving the spindle knot on enables you to hammer against the rotor and move it out without the whole assembly coming out. So if your rotor is stuck on the hub assembly there, it allows you to get more hammer power against it. It helps hold everything in place by leaving the spindle nut on there. So that's what I did. Now I'm going to take it the rest of the way off. So I think that's about all I could see. Let's see if we get a closer look in there. It looks pretty rough in there. That's why I got the whole new hub assembly. I done loosened the bolts on that, and those are size 15. So 18. Let's see if it's going to be 18, like I said, on the caliper bracket, which you can't see those from this angle, but you can see the spots there. So yeah, size 18. I know I'm repeating myself, but if anybody watches this video, you'll definitely know that I said it. So I'll say it again. Size 18 on the caliper bracket. T55 on these dudes here. .35mm on that. And size 15 on the 3. Got 3 of them. hub assembly bolts. So I think I'm gonna conclude this video and go ahead and call it a video. So this is Michael, and until next time, I am out.